You read the room before you speak. Catch every sigh, each tired cheek. Stay late cleaning up the mess while someone else collects success. You hold the secrets, hold the glue. Remember birthdays, follow through. You dim your lights so they feel tall, then wonder why you feel so small. Your true colors ain't a weakness, they're the reason that you're needed. You're the calm inside the chaos, not the background. You're the payoff, turn that carrot into calling. Keep your boundaries, keep on walking. Build a life that loves you too. That's career advice for blue. You want your work to mean a lot, more than numbers on a clock. You crave a team that really cares, not just titles, suits, and chairs. So choose the jobs that fit your heart, where listening counts as real smart, where how are you is more than noise, where kindness isn't just a ploy. Your true colors ain't a weakness, they're the reason that you're needed. You're the calm inside the chaos, not the background. You're the payoff, turn that carrot into calling. Keep your boundaries, keep on walking. Build a life that loves you too. That's career advice for blue. Ask yourself, does this place deserve my best? Do they hear I'm overwhelmed and help you breathe, not test you more? Just don't trade away your peace for someone else's dream.